Every second, thousands of aluminum cans are produced around the world. But have you ever wondered how these simple metal containers are actually made?
Welcome inside a modern beverage can factory, where technology...
From raw aluminum to finished cans ready for your favorite drink, the entire process happens in just a few seconds.
Let's follow the incredible journey of how a soda can is made.
Everything begins with massive rolls of aluminum, the lightweight metal used to create beverage cans. These coils contain enough aluminum to produce millions of cans.
Automated cranes carefully transport the coils to the production machines.
The aluminum sheet is now ready to begin its transformation. The metal sheet is unrolled and fed into high-speed forming equipment. This step ensures the sheet is perfectly smooth before cutting begins. Powerful presses punch round aluminum blanks from the sheet. These discs will soon become the body of each beverage can.
Next, each aluminum disc is stretched into a small cup shape.
This process happens at incredible speed, thousands every minute.
Automated sensors inspect every cup for perfect shape.
Now the cups are stretched into full-size aluminum cans. The metal walls become thinner and stronger during this stage. Each can is trimmed to achieve the exact height required. Before decoration, the cans are thoroughly cleaned. Hot air dryers remove moisture from the cans.
This is where the cans receive their iconic Coca-Cola or Pepsi designs.
Advanced printing machines apply several layers of ink. Brand logos are printed with perfect precision. A protective coating ensures durability and shine.
The printed design is cured using heat.
While the can bodies are produced, another line creates the lids. These pull tabs allow you to open the can instantly. Precision tools form the opening area of the lid.
High-speed cameras check each can for defects.
Any damaged can is instantly removed. Finished cans are grouped together for packaging. Protective wrapping prepares them for transportation.
Robots carefully stack pallets for shipping.
From here, the cans travel to beverage filling plants worldwide. Every day, factories like this produce millions of beverage cans. And it all started with a simple sheet of aluminum.
And that's how Coca-Cola and Pepsi cans are made.
These cans are now ready to deliver refreshing drinks around the world.
Amazing technology, incredible speed, and the journey of a simple can. Subscribe for more factory tours and manufacturing secrets.